Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your carrier offers VO LTE and your plan permits LTE data during calls. Once done, confirm the Moto G5 Plus has a single active LTE-capable SIM showing the 4G/LTE icon. Also make sure system updates and carrier settings are current so the phone recognizes VO LTE features. These checks avoid wasted changes later and let you move straight to enabling the only reliable method to use internet while on a call. VO LTE or now enable VO LTE on the device. You go to Settings, then Network and Internet or More, then Mobile Network and select the active SIM. Toggle on Enhanced 4G LTE mode or VO LTE calls. You may see the carrier name update. After switching it on, make sure mobile data is enabled and restart the phone so carrier provisioning completes. Once restarted, the 4G icon should persist during calls, and data will remain active while you place or receive voice calls using LTE. Finally, test by calling someone, and while the call is active, open a browser or app to confirm internet access. Make sure the 4G or LTE indicator stays visible during the call. That proves VO LTE is handling voice and data simultaneously. If it fails, contact your carrier to ensure VO LTE is provisioned for your number. As a single troubleshooting tip, toggle Enhanced 4G off and on, reboot, and if needed reinsert the SIM. This often forces the carrier settings update that enables VO LTE.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.